Welcome to Waggies Cruising. We are so excited to take you on a journey through the idyllic Norfolk Broads. As we cruise along the Inland Waterways, you'll witness the beauty and tranquility that this stunning region has to offer. From charming villages to picturesque landscapes, the Norfolk Broads truly is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or simply looking to unwind, this channel is for you. Join us as we explore the hidden corners of this magical place, immersing ourselves in the rich history and culture found at every turn. Get ready to spot fascinating wildlife and dive into the vibrant local communities that call the Broads their home. We'll share tips and recommendations for the best spots to moor your boat, where to indulge in delicious local cuisine, and must-visit landmarks along the way. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this unforgettable adventure together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting escapades along the Norfolk Broads. Happy cruising!